CleanAIR introduces Verus, an auto-darkening welding helmet with an advanced air distribution system suitable for most of the welding processes. In combination with a PAPR unit or compressed air, offers the highest respiratory protection. The package includes a welding helmet in a protective bag, a detailed user manual in your language, and a practical belt helmet holder. Remove protective foil before first use. Adjusting the headband VariGear and sweatband replacement. You can easily adjust the head circumference by turning the back wheel. By clicking into the desired position, you will set up the depth of headgear. Set in all 4 places. Flip the headband holders and adjust the distance between the helmet and the face. All 3 pads can be removed and washed or replaced. The top and back sweatband is simply clicked into the headband. The front sweatband is removed by unclicking it and removing it from the holders. The new sweatband is put on in the same way. Head and neck protection deployment. The head and neck protection is already installed on the helmet from the factory. You simply remove the head and neck protection from the studs in which it is snapped. You simply attach the head and neck protection back to the studs located at the bottom and back of the hood. Removal and application of the face seal. Flip the headband holders to the side and push the headband in until the holder slides out completely. Take the headband out. Pull out the sides of the face seal. Grab the face seal from the bottom and use more force to snap it out of the holders. Then release the upper part as well. Snap the face seal back into the appropriate holders, put on the side pieces, and place the headband back. Replacement of the ADF filter and its settings. Gently press into the wire and bend it towards you. Use a screwdriver to gently push off the peripheral wheel of the button and lift it. To replace the battery, turn the battery cover cap. You can set individual ADF parameters using the buttons on the filter. Hose connection. Push the hose quick lock connector onto the hood connection and connect the hose with a simple click. Insert the hose into the hose holder on the headband. By turning the knob, determines the tilt level of the helmet. Adjusting the airflow in the hood, controlling the grinding mode. Airflow settings can be adjusted with 3 controls. With the outer upper controller, you can adjust the flow in the area of the eyes and visor. With the other lower controller, you adjust the flow in the mouth area. You can adjust the airflow on the sides of the helmet with the internal controls. Press the button to turn on the grinding mode. Replacement of outer foil. To replace the outer foil, simply lift the edge and click. For inserting a new foil, insert the first edge, gently bend the foil, and insert the second edge. Usage of helmet holder. Clip the helmet holder to the belt and hang the helmet by the rear wheel. CleanAIR. Work hard, breathe easy.